Hello again, it's Lock Noob, and this is a Titan K6 sent to me by Pottie314. Please do go check out his channel. He's one of my all-time favourite lock pickers. I just love his stuff and his take on lockpicking. Fantastic guy as well. So yeah, this side of the lock is standard. By standard, I mean it's standard for a Titan. Look at the key, for example. Looks like it's made of corrugated steel, doesn't it? Look at that. And just makes that keyway just look really angry at you, like some kind of a snarl-toothed monster. Anyway, so one side is, well, as standard as it can be for a Titan K6. The other side, with a M on it, is, well, modified. So, you know, Pottie knows that I'm not the biggest fan of challenge locks, but this, even to me, is pretty tempting. The fact that we've got a dual-sided lock, one that appeals to me, the standard lock, and the other one which is modified. So let's throw some advice. We'll pick that side, then we'll pick that side, then we'll gut them both, and well, we'll see what's actually going on inside. See what Pottie has created for us. So this is the standard side of the lock, and well, to pick this, I'm going to be using this Sparrow's notched pick. There you go, in 12 thousandths. I actually did try with an 18 thousandths Peterson gem, but even 18 thousandths, that's way too thick. You can see it's sort of grabbing the pick as I'm, there you go, putting it in. So yeah, definitely not that one. Then I tried this hook in 15 thousandths, which has handles made out of zip ties, cable ties, and they are 30mm ones, very good. But even that was just a wee bit too thick. So yeah, this 12 thousandths one should just be right. I've got a custom made wiper blade tensioner there, and yeah, let's just have a go at picking this standard side. So 6, nothing on 5, a little click on 4, nothing on 3, a little click on 2, one seems to be very high set. Still don't think I've got it. I think I've got it now. Wow, that was high set. Back to 6, 5, little click on 4, nothing on 3. Oh no, tiny click on 3, good. Nothing on 2, okay, back to the back. Oh wow, 6 is definitely biting now. Oh, and into a deep false set. That's 5 now, counter rotation. Some kind of spooling going on in that pin. Steady, and we are open on that side. Right, just going to turn it all the way around, like that. And we'll open that up in a minute. Now let's flip it over and do the other side. So here's the modified side, and same deal. We're going to throw in top of the keyway tension, same 12 thousandths of an inch pick, and yeah, that super light tension on here. You've got to feel that feedback best you can using the tip of your thumb this way. So oh, just hit some yeah, pin 2 there. There you go, pin 2 all the way back to the back. Six, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Back to the back again. 6, just spongy, nothing going on there. It's 5, nothing going on there. 4, little click out of 4, and another little click into a bit of a false set. Nothing on 3. 2, little bit of counter rotation there. Feels sort of very rough, serrated, like a screw thread or something. I don't know. On 2, it's a bit jammed, so I'm just going to see if I can free up by hitting some of the other pins, like 4 there. That's good. That's definitely moved pin touch 1 into a deep false set, so definitely moved pin 2 to the right position. 6 now, counter rotation into after that false set. Nothing. 4, 3, 2, 1 now. One's going to be hard to get because it's so high up. I know that from the other side, so I'm going to swap over with a pick. Try and pick this using my a sturdier pick from the front. Okay. Okay, I think we've got it. Now what we've done is we've lost a set on some of the pins at the back, so that's okay. Just go through again. 4, doesn't want to give anything up. 3, neither. 2, into that false set. Just check 1 now. Pretty sure 1 sets. That's a really good sign. Okay, into 6. There we go. 6 now. That's a lovely kind of spool on 6. I'm hoping that isn't 1 that needs to be set again. So we'll see. Oh no, 6 again. Pin 4. There you go. Pin 4 again. Is that full set? Good. Keep dropping the spools. That's a sign of a very well made lock. So that's good. 6 again. Just gentle, gentle, gentle. I think that's good. And we are open. There we are. Ooh, that was, I'd say, a bit more challenging. We got there. The trick was definitely light tension. Ah, sorry, I forgot. Whiz that all the way around to that side. Right. Now let's gut both these sides and see what's actually in here. Okay, so these bottom pins here are the standard pins that you get in this Titan K6, and it's interesting. Nothing horrible in there really. Got some spools, got a few standard pins in terms of their drivers. So in terms of key pins, we have a mixture of brass and steel. So we've got anti-drill pins here, and interestingly we have some springs with these little ball bearings that free float in them, and I think that oh, just flung it across the desk somewhere. I guess I'll find that later. It can't be too far away. But yeah, got these little ball bearings in there, so I don't know what they're for. Possibly anti-drill, although I doubt it. I think they're probably some kind of anti-bump measure, if I had to guess. So yeah, just a standard lock, really, just standard key pins and a couple of spools in positions 2 and 5 in terms of the drivers. Now the modified side is a bit more exciting. Standard key pins again. Weirdly, this doesn't look like it's brass. This one looks like it's copper. Same with this. I have no idea why that would be. But yeah, all the rest look like brass, and these ones look like copper. If anybody has an idea why they would do that, let me know. But we have in driver pins, position 1, a spool, then this one was giving me lots of problems, this spool, and I don't really know why. It looks a bit sort of older and dirtier, a bit more worn. Maybe that's the reason. I don't know. Gave odd feedback. Then this little anti-bump style barrel pin. Try and get close up there, but that actually has those little lips, which means that it sort of hangs in the core and just jams up the lock a bit. There you go. Got a lovely serrated pin there, and this was a serrated key pin inserted upside down, which is fine because you can see the serrations there. Very, very nice. And then a spool in pin 6, and then this is probably the most interesting pin in position 5 on the modified side, which is this one, which I think is one of the pins which you get in possibly one of the ABUS extra class locks, which is a very narrow spool but with this extra sort of T-pin end to it, which really hangs up in the core of the lock. Really, really interesting pin. So there you go. Both sides were really good fun to pick. Made a lot harder by that really, really wiggly keyway. Let's just look at that keyway up close a bit more. Look at that. Cool, huh? But yeah, thank you Pottie314 for sending me that lock. I really like that idea of the standard side and the modified side. Thanks for bearing with the gutting there. It's a double gutting, so it always takes a bit longer. And I'll see you all next time.